Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you turn dark mode on Snapchat. So first of all, I'm gonna open up my Snapchat. Now you can always go ahead if you guys have any queries. Mostly they're always given in the Snapchat support section. For example, if I go to I need help and I search for dark mode here. Let's give it a second to load, and if I go for dark mode, you see there is this query that says how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So it says that you can go to the app appearance tab in the my account and you can turn this always on or whatever option you want in the app itself. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go down and find where the app appearance is. Right, there it is. And now you see my Snapchat is on always light, so I can press always dark, and if I go back it's going to turn into the dark mode. And my OS right now is on dark mode, so that is why it's on going dark mode. But let me try switching it. So now my dark mode is off, and if I go to match system, it is in the light mode. So that is how you turn the dark mode on, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.